Hey team, today we're going to look at how to use your Fit3d dashboard. So what will happen once you've had your first Fit3d scan, you'll get an email from fit3d.com. There'll be a link on it to access all your results. Hands down, the best view is to use a computer and Google Chrome. You can use your phone, it's just a little bit niggly to navigate. If you don't get an email, you can also go to www.fit3d.com and click login. Once you've logged in, like you'll see on the screen right now, you'll get a wellness report. You'll have an outline of your body of the 3D image that they've taken. Then if you scroll down the report, the first thing I'd usually look at would be your body shape rating. Generally, your body shape rating is looking at how healthy is your body shape out of 100. 100 is good, 0 is bad. It generally doesn't like a lot around the waist, and it does like strong legs. So if you've got chicken legs and a very big waist, you'll likely have a worse body shape rating, because there's a lot of evidence out there these days that that type of body shape will increase your risk of cardiovascular disease. You can use the graphs. Once you click on each different aspect, you can use the graphs below. So green is good, red is bad. You'll be the dotted line. The distribution graphs will show all the people that have been scanned of your age group worldwide. At the time we've made this video, they're scanning about every 30 seconds in 50 countries. So lots and lots of data. There'll always be an option for the main figures for you to read more. So you can always click on read more if you want to learn a bit more about what that means, how to improve it, or there might be some study links for some of the options. Click on your waist circumference. Generally, the smaller the better. If you're unsure on what you exactly should be for a certain number, just use your mouse to scroll along the distribution graph. And for example, for waist, it would tell you that an ideal waist for a male in this situation would be 82 centimeters or below. You can keep going down. It shows your waist to hip ratio. Again, the lower the better, suggesting that you've got less around your waist and strong legs. The trunk to leg volume ratio is a number that Fit3D's come up with by themselves. It's just looking at the total volume in your legs compared to the total volume in your trunk. And similar to your body shape rating, there's strong evidence to say that the less volume in your trunk and strong legs, you'll get better health outcomes. And in many cases, you'll probably have better sports performance because you've got less to lug around up top and stronger, more powerful legs. When you click across, you go into body composition, so body fat percentage. This will, again, give you a graph. You'll be the dotted line. It'll give you the distribution graph. It'll give you your weight on there. It'll give you your fat mass in kilos, and it'll give you your lean mass. These are all on the same distribution. So essentially, for this example, 23.26% of 75.6 kilos is 17.6 kilos, and Fit3D will call the rest lean mass. So a little bit of lean mass does include some bone, some ligaments, etc. But the general gist of it is you're not going to change your bone or your ligaments, so it'll give a good representation of how much fat you have in your body in kilos. If you scroll one more across, it looks at the fitness level. Basically, it's giving you your basal metabolic rate. I don't use this a lot with my clients. Some people might use it for estimating how much they should be eating or drinking in a day, or what is the minimum amount. Essentially, your basal metabolic rate is the minimum amount of energy that your body will burn at rest. If you go back to the main page and you just scroll down, usually the posture report won't be available within the first 24, 48 hours. You'll get a separate email for this, and I've gone into this in a bit more detail in a separate video. What you should get straight away is you'll get your measurements. So on the left side of the screen here, it'll show you exactly where the measurements are taken. So it's absolutely essential that every time you scan in minimal clothing. Tight underwear is an absolute must. Anything loose, you'll not only get higher measurements, but you'll likely get a higher body fat percentage. So keeping things consistent every time you scan will enable you to get consistent, reliable results. But yeah, this is where they take them. This slices at your body. So it's taken over 1,200 photos of you with 3 infrared cameras, and then it takes you specific slices at each point, and then it will give you your neck, your chest, your waist, hips, arms, thighs, and calf measurements. Just keep in mind that all these measurements, they're using infrared cameras, so they're snug to your body. It's especially the waist and hips and chest, they will be significantly higher than what you'll probably get on a tape measure. So just be warned when you're buying any online clothes, do not use your Fit3d measurements unless it's already been calibrated with Fit3d. Not many companies are, or actually none are in New Zealand at present. That's the main gist of your data platform to start off. There's also options on there if you want. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can print out reports. There's a glossary that explains everything. And if it is your new scan, I would encourage you to go to the bottom icon there, go into My Profile and Edit Profile, and just add in your name. Would be really handy, because a lot of people, your name's not included when you sign up. It makes it a lot easier for your gym or someone that's looking at your results to find you online. Anyway, if anyone has any questions about any of the Fit3d data platform, feel free to shoot me an email, peter@healthandfitnesstesting.nz. All right, cheers guys, happy scanning.